Okay. Hey guys, let's continue. So I must have Acrobat open already. So we did this desktop computer parts. Okay. So describe three types of medical aid which can be produced by a 3D printer. That will be a set of fake teeth, not fake teeth, because it's dentures. And number one would be dentures, and of course number two would be ear that thing. What's that? Hearing aids. Yes. And number three would of course be this thing. What's that thing again? Number three would be something that's customized, plaster, or what's that thing? Bandages for fractures. So surgical and diagnostic aids. So tissue engineering, artificial blood vessels, design of medical tools and equipment. But however, they will accept answers as well. GPS is global positioning system. It works from four satellites, usually four satellites, but sometimes two or even three, four satellites, and yeah, so four satellite. It works on four satellites, and the distance is calculated from the satellites to the person, and therefore the distance is the exact position of the receiver is found. This can help a person to wait, don't write this can help a person to. That's the next question for which they're giving you two more marks. If you write that here, they won't give you any. They won't give you any marks if you stated in A. They won't give you any marks. So let's just look. Yep, it's exactly space-based. Four satellites. Yeah. Okay, so they use a lot of theorems such as Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometry to find out the distance, to find out the location from a GPS station or something. So two examples are number one navigation. Number two is what's that again? Number one is navigation. Number two is tracking exact position. So car to calculate routes, used by walkers to locate positions. Satellite navigation systems using tracking aircraft. Compare and contrast the use of magnetic tips with removable magnetic disks to make network server backups. So magnetic tapes are better because they are much cheaper, whereas magnetic disks are much more expensive. Magnetic tapes, since they are attached to a computer, they are not really they will not may not get lost very easily, whereas magnetic disks will may get lost. How to say five reasons? So we given four already, and one more is so you have to say something good about removable magnetic disks. Removable magnetic disks are portable and therefore can be kept in a secure location so that just in case of a virus encounter, just in case of a virus problem, the virus will not spread to all the files. Well, there's a backup stored which is not connected to the computer. Whereas if a magnetic tape would use, there's a probability that the data in the magnetic tape is also infected, provided that it's connected with the computer. So that's all for today, and let's just check our answer. So both can be stored well away from the server. In an event of fire, they'll be secure. Tapes are cheaper. Tapes are more compact. It's quicker to access lost work using disks. So we have the same thing there. So yeah.